Be weary of false teachers and wolves in sheep's clothing. One of the sure tell signs you know something is not right is when it makes your cross less heavy. Your cross is a burden and you must shoulder it, you must carry it. That's how we emulate Christ. And if there's someone else that's telling you, hey, get off the cross. Hey, you don't have to carry that cross. Know that they are a wolf in sheep's clothing. They are the same Pharisees that told Jesus, come down off that cross if you're God.